watching Hey guys, you're watching Most Girls, and today I'm so stressed out because it's literally Wednesday. Today's the day that I'm posting this video, so I am totally lacking, y'all. So we're just gonna get straight into this video. I don't mean to make it sound rushed, but you know, I just gotta get this up and going right now. So without further ado, here are 50 video ideas for when you have nothing to film. Alright, we have morning routine, after school routine, night routine, skincare routine, hair routine, pamper routine, lip routine, nail routine, workout routine, season routine, blank routine. And then we have how to edit photos, how to edit videos, how to have an aesthetic Instagram feed, how to pamper yourself, how to take care of curly hair, how to grow your hair, how to grow your eyelashes, how to grow your eyebrows, how to be bougie, how to get rid of acne, how to eat healthy, how to stay fit, what I eat in a day, what to do when bored, work out with me, shower with me, that's a little, I mean, don't get too, you know, PG-13, clean with me, travel with me, get productive with me, journal with me, draw with me, meet my boyfriend, meet my best friend, how to start a YouTube channel in 2020, how to gain followers, how to gain subscribers, how to refresh your hair, makeup tutorial, boyfriend does my makeup, boyfriend does my voiceover, get ready with me for blank, what's on my iPhone, unboxing, house tour, room tour, houseplant tour, apartment tour, and meet my pets. Those are really random, but that's what I came up with, and I feel like those would all be very interesting ideas. So yeah, that's about it. Actually, this is gonna be a very short video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and you already know. Oh my gosh, I have hairy armpits. Okay, good, you can't see. Subscribe, please. Subscribed. Turns into subscribe. We want subscribe. So yeah, I really hope that you guys are having a good week, and I will see you on Friday. Bye.